I'm very pleased to find the family name history. I will give this gift to my mother from Ellis Island.
When I opened the box and found the beautiful work that was done, all of the detail and information, I was just amazed. I just couldn't believe that they knew that much about my family name.
I think the Family Name History Coat of Arms is an excellent gift choice. Just the quality and workmanship, the impressiveness of this hanging on the wall in your favorite room, be it the den or your office.
Actually, the boat that my grandfather had come over to America on from Italy, and so when I came to Ellis Island on just a weekend vacation, I decided that this would be a nice gift to give to my father to go along with the history from his father.
The idea and the concept of this, I think, is very interesting. Very cleverly done, very beautifully presented, and I'll be very happy to place it in a special place in my home.
I didn't really think it would be possible to go back so many centuries with this family name. Here we're tracing back to 1599, and we've discovered there is actually a nobleman in the family to where this family name can be traced back to. I mean, that itself, I think, is very exciting.
My grandmother's research had uncovered that the family had immigrated into the United States through Virginia and Maryland, and I was pleased to read in this certificate that it says that the ancestor came in and joined the Virginia militia.
I'm very impressed by the research that went into this family name. I never knew it went back as far as it did.
When I was reading the information and I came upon the date 1066, I was very surprised to find out that this information was even available. I didn't realize paperwork was still around that old.
What I found pretty interesting in this was the guy telling me that my name was from royalty. That was what I liked. I mean, that's neat.